Hello all. So let's continue with the customizations. So we were talking about custom2.txt file, and in this file we have added or updated the filters as you mentioned over here. So based on whatever filters you use, you will get the result. Another new offering is a new plugin or a new component which can be integrated. This is called Automark. So this is being provided. So all you need to do is just copy this code and paste it in the original file. So this is my original file. For example, this is my base file custom2. I just copied this code over here and pasted in line number 3, right? So I just pasted it over here and I saved it. So this would transform my ME broker to a Automark utility. So by default, if you see over here, let me take another chart because I have updated the charts now. So I need to close this. So let me take it upwards. Let me take it up. Yeah. So now if I see over here, by default, there's an auto marking which is off. This was not a feature which was available by default, but with this plugin or code, it is available. So I just click it and now it will give you the information. If it is a impulse alert, it is a EMA CD and SS alert, it is a fresh breakout alert, the pullback alert came over here, the impulse, another impulse because it went beyond the previous wave, and so on. So this becomes very simple for any individuals who are working on the code for the first time. So they can understand where the fresh breakout happens or where the strategies are being hit. Similarly, you can just switch it off if you don't like it, and it can be made disabled. Again, you have bear and bull, LSL and HSL values, so those are always there, so you can just enable and disable it. Similarly, apart from this, there are customizations which are available. So what I would do over here, I would just remove that customization, and now I want to integrate with Telegram. So I just copy paste this particular code. You can go through these instructions and the code would become a code which is available, or a code which would give you alerts on Telegram. So similarly, you can integrate with any API. Position sizing. So if you want to do a position sizing based on 20x leverage, so in that case, your changes can be done. So for example, you are getting a margin value from your broker as 20x, so it can be updated. So if you have 10,000 rupees into 20, it becomes 20 into 1,000. So that particular value will now be available for taking position. So what I see is, if I just add this value and I want a stock value maybe only for 10,000. So if I have 10,000 rupees, what is the number of stocks I would get? So I just go over here, I do a explore, and now I would see I would get only 5 shares over here because it is approximately 2,000 and 10,000 is my value. So I can purchase only